Grabe. This is the biggest gabi leaf I've ever seen so far. Napakalaki mga idol. Tignan nyo. Grabe. What's up mga Haydol? Haydol Steve here. We are here at Ibabaw Mountain Resort at Santa Cruz, Liloan, Cebu. Ibabaw Mountain Resort is on top of the mountain. Kaya nga Ibabaw Mountain Resort eh. Forget about your ex, forget about your debts, forget about your past due bills. Come here at Ibabaw Mountain Resort. Stay, relax, unwind, stress-free, and even reconcile about your past sins. You can dip in their beautiful pool. This is a very perfect peace and quiet place for you mga Haydol. So their resort Haydol here has plenty of plants, as you can see. They have cactus here or everything. Perfect for plantito and plantitas out there. Napaka-nature. See? Napaka-nature, no? Of course, their main events, they also serve pizzas, Filipino dishes, milk teas, and other delicious drinks. But of course, our main event dito is their buffet. They serve very affordable serving Filipino dishes, which is I'm looking forward talaga, especially with my family. Come join me this one-day experience with my family. During our first day mga Haydol, we have witnessed a lovely wedding reception. I had mixed emotions during that time.
Ganun nahilak man ka. Tears of joy?
Ako nila gi-invite na may ilakaon niya. May ilakaon niya na sila humba, na sila lechon. Ako tag-invite. Yung french fries na itong panihapon.
Of course, your relaxation won't be complete without a dip on their pool with your kids and family. Don't worry, that area is shallow. To fully appreciate the resort, you should book a room with them for the kids to relax after a very tiring day. And watch over them while jumping on the bed. Appreciate green environment. Grabe. This is the biggest gabi leaf I've ever seen so far. Experience nature like you've never seen before.
Bigas, grabe. Bigas.
Balin ta, balin. So come join us and eat their sumptuous buffet where they serve various Filipino dishes that are unlimited.
Wow!
Of course, we have desserts and only iced tea, and then get the unlimited rice with chop suey, chicken caldereta, meatballs, special bami, and of course, tinowa na isda.
Oh no!
Thank you. Let's eat. Okay, alright mga idol, so nandito na ating food na kinuha. Kakainin na natin, titikman na natin kung masarap ba. Siyempre, the best part of this is unlimited.
Wow!
Before that, pray muna tayo kay Lord. Amen. Bless us, O Lord, for this day. Gifts are about to receive your what we require, O Lord. Amen. Thank you, Lord, sa food. Masarap to. Thank you so much. Yes. Okay, tadakimasu mga idol. Simulan na natin. First bite natin is the bola-bola. Sarap ng bola-bola. Oh. Napaka-juicy ng mga sauce is all around the meatball. Sorry, my son is angry today. Again. Very meaty in the inside. Can even taste the carrots and vegetables inside. Sarap talaga. Wow. Next, we have the pancit. Bam egg special. Special to kasi kami daw yung bisita kaya special. Look at the shrimp, mga idol. Look at that. Wow. I love the noodles. Sakto sa luto. Very delicious, especially the shrimp. Good blend with the bam egg special. Sarap. Fairness ha. Lagyan natin ng egg. Boiled egg. Second bite. A little bit oily, pero sarap. Fairness ha. Next, we have the special chop suey. Chop suey. The blends of different kinds of vegetables. Perfect. Sarap. Next is the chicken caldereta. It's very oily and juicy. Outside, tignan. Tignan natin. Wow. Emphasize the sauce. Very nice. Tomato sauce, very delicious. Perfect blend with the carrots and the sweet potato here. Konting ripes, carbs for your body. Alright, continue muna kami. Papakainin ko muna yung daughter ko and my son. Tingnan mo, nagugutom na. So, balik muna ako for 3 plates. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Round 2 mga idol. See that? So, bigay natin sa daughter ko. Of course. Right? Sarap ni meatball nila. Napakalasa. The meat is so, yeah. Actually. Sarap ha? Masarap ba kisha? Pas pansit? Pansit kisha. Uy. Sarap ba? Naman. Sarap sa fairness. The noodles there, so delicious. Dumami ng mga tao dito, idol. Yeah, actually dami ha. Ma-occupy na lahat ito. So, buti may special treatment sila sa akin. Of course, nakuha tayo ng tinulang isda. Hindi ko nakuha. Tinulang isda. Ito. First, the soup. Sarap ng isda. Fresh ko. Yun. Managing salad na. Sarap. Sarap ha? Not so sweet. Sarap talaga ang tapioca at saka main ko pagsamahan. Like this, idol. Unli. Last bite para sa inyo. Continue muna namin to. Papakain muna sa mga anak ko. Thank you for watching. This is for you. And that's it mga idols, our 1-day experience here. One thing I learned from this experience is yung time that you spent with your family. Such as now, you're doing a vlog and then they're here. Katamak kagtai! Natai diha! Nature ba diri? So the time with them, because you don't need to use your cell phone because of the limited signal. Instead of using your cell phone, you are spending time with your family. The most important thing is they're really happy kasi nabigyan mo sila ng oras para sa family bonding. So this is really nice about having or being with them. So come visit Ibabaw Mountain Resort para ma-experience no ang nature. Kagaya nito, there's a pool there, no? Wow. Once again, thank you so much for watching the Haydol Food Trip. Watch out for upcoming videos in the future. This is Haydol Steve nga nagsasabing, hingat, hamping, and take care mga Haydol. Bye! Forget about your debts. Forget about your past
Kisha.
Sa photos, no?